Welcome to the training on Block 2 of the one-to-one presentation of the Be Motivated Today opportunity. Move straight onto this block after you've finished Block 1. Just say, a company like MTN spends so much on marketing and advertising. They need to pay reps and retail commissions, and you, the customer, pays for it. Now imagine if MTN got rid of all these middlemen and decided to use referrals to sell their services and products, since advertising is not working anymore. Imagine if they offered to pay you when you found new customers for them, and they pay you 20% of the cell phone subscriptions of new customers you referred. Do you think that would be legal? Usually people say yes, but sometimes they say no, or they're not sure. Assure them it is completely legal, and I'll show you some companies in a minute that work this way. And what if MTN said, let's really make it worth your while, we'll pay you another 5% if you help your new customers to find other customers? Do you think that would be legal? Again, assure them it is, if they're not sure. Remember, the money comes from customers spending money on phone calls every month. MTN gives you a small percentage of the spending of the customers you helped find, instead of spending it on marketing and advertising. And what if MTN said, let's really empower you and help people earn by paying you another 5% if the customers of your customers also referred new customers? Can you see that this is also completely legal? If they sound unsure, explain. Remember, it's MTN's money that comes from services used, and they are taking advantage of the new trends to sell more services. In an illegal system, there would be no products or services, only money moving up. But as soon as you have people paying for products or services, it is legal to pay referral commissions. It's definitely legal. You know companies that use this system. Clientele Life. You've seen their adverts on TV. Vox Telecom. They own Absa Mail, but their main service is Voice over Internet Protocol, VoIP. Basically, telephone over the internet. And even Old Mutual started one of these systems in January 2014, but stopped because of all the debit order bounces that they had. But you can be sure that they would not start a system like this if it were illegal. And there are other companies like Prime Meridian, Pro Travel Pass, World Ventures, Lioness. All these provide a service and pay you for referring customers. But what this means for you is you can earn a monthly income because you are paid from the subscriptions that people pay every month for their service. And it is a passive income. You don't have to work for it every month because the people keep paying for their service. It is an unlimited income because you can refer as many people as you want to, and so can they, and you'll be paid on all the people. And the best part is there is no selling. And that's the end of Block 2. Go through this video a few more times and then practice. Good luck. And remember, some people will work their whole life to make the boss's dreams come true, but they won't invest 6 months to work a bit extra to achieve their own dreams. Some people will not work carefully through these videos and then practice, and they will never achieve their own dreams. But if you learn this presentation and present this awesome opportunity to others, you will reach your financial dreams and goals. Ciao for now.